So I got two parcels, so one came on 11 October and the other one on 14 October. So are you curious what's inside? Let's find out. Okay, so this is heavy, this is not that much heavy, so we're gonna start with that one. So, any description? There is no description. If we go a quick cut over here, I think we have one loose and one in a bag. So this loose is saying here that is solder paste, which is 150C. It's melting point really low. So I got some solder paste because I ordered few PCBs from my gadget. I'm gonna put it up here, the video when I designed that gadget, which is a pulse voltage injector to find easy the shorts on the motherboard. And this time I ordered also the stencil, so definitely with the stencil we're gonna be nice to use some solder paste. So I got this one in just 10 grams because it's first time to order this kind of solder paste, and I'm not sure how it will gonna work, so we need to try it to see. And if it's working good, I know that they selling also big syringes, so maybe I'm gonna buy a big syringe next time. So yeah, let's find out how much cost this one and how fast will come over here. Alright, so this is my order here. The order cost £2 and 8 pence, but I pay only £2 and 4 pence. There is some discount. I ordered it on 2nd October, so 12 days to be here. And here we go. This is the order. So it's 10 gram, 150 degree melting point. So it's gonna be a really low melting point of solder. We're gonna see how it's working when I'm gonna do a video on building up few more of those gadgets, and I'll show you how I'm using the stencil in order to do a fast assembly. So here we go. There is a description, there is reviews 4.8 star, and looking good. So this is the description. There is saying anything. This is good for BGA planting tin, extensive use, can be used for repairing, welding, and also be used for handmade SMD. How you're gonna do handmade SMD, I don't know. Maybe they want to say hand placing SMDs. Well, anyway, so if you want to see how it will gonna be, please subscribe, activate notification bell, and look forward to my next video when I'm gonna build up some gadgets and using this solder. And if you are interested, check the link on the description down below. Alright, this is the next one, and I can't turn over because there is my details on the other side. So we're gonna cut and see what's inside. So inside we have another two syringes with different solder paste, yeah. And also is a new brand to me. I didn't use this one before. I use a different type one. And this one, it says the melting temperature. So this is lead-free solder paste, and I think the previous one is lead. Is not a lead-free paste. So this one should be, I think, 183 melting point. I'm not sure. It doesn't say over here nothing. They say only the date over here. I'm looking around here to see if it says the melting temperature. It doesn't say. So maybe on the description. So yeah, let's quick see how much cost this one and how fast moved over here. Here we go. This is the listing. So HXP new, no cleaning required, solder paste, low temperature, flux, blah blah. So I ordered two pieces of 10 gram and costing £3.55, but actually I pay only £1.68. Really good discount. 12-day delivery. And if we are going here, you can see you can order one, you can order two, you can order one at 35 grams, one at 55 grams, and so on. Too many things, and the price vary depend what you like to order. So looks like we see there melting point is 172C, so it's like 180 degree solder paste. Let's see, 4.9 star review, so better than the previous one. And description: solder paste lead free, halogen free, acid free. So yeah, that's why I say it's no cleaning, but usually the solder paste you need to clean screen because it's forming a lots of tiny balls over there and maybe can short something in your PCB. So low melting point, easy to solder, solder shine. Yeah, product application for BGA, SMDs, blah 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 blah. Anyway, another new brand of solder paste to test it, and definitely I'm gonna try it because I need to build 2 of those units, and one I'm gonna use one type of solder and the other one the different type of solder. And if you are interested on this product, check the link on the description down below. Alright, this one has definitely more goodies inside, and to make sure that I don't get my details on, I'm gonna take them out like that. We'll not look for any label to understand what's inside. We can cut and check inside definitely what has to offer. And here we go. This one is a pack of SMD resistors because same I need for those projects with the pulse volt injector, and I ran out of some of them. So it's the 1206 resistors, really nice to work with them. They are not too much tiny, and I have plenty of the values and lots of resistor, 2000 pieces. So yeah, definitely was costing cheap. Let's have a look the listing. Here we go. This is the order. So I ordered in 2nd October, so 9 days delivery on this one, and I pay a total of £3.25, but the actually price is £3.24. And here we go. This is the listing when you can choose different type of resistor package. So 0603, 1210, 2512, the big ones. Did they have bigger than that measurement? No, that's the biggest one that they have, the 2512, and definitely different values and different quantity. So I ordered the 1206 2000 pieces, and I need some for those projects because I ran out of some values, so that's why I order. I can see here 4.9 star reviews, good product, and in description is showing you picture with different types of things that they have there, and you can order whatever you like. Yeah, check the link on the description down below also for this product. Definitely I recommend it. Alright, so I'm going to take whatever is the next one on the pile over here. Same I will not take off because I don't want to see my details in case of they are there, because with the combined shipping this is what happened. Oh, and here we have more goodies, and same I'm gonna put it aside and start with one of each. So here we have another brush for cleaning PCBs. I really like them, are really soft and cleaning really nice. So I get myself another one. So this is the third one. I have a white one, I have a black one, and this is a green one. Yeah, looking good. I really recommend this type of brushes for cleaning PCBs. So let's have a look at the price on this one. Here we go. New ultra fine soft toothbrush, million nano bristle adult toothbrush. Wow. I'm using for cleaning PCBs with these ones. So the listing cost 81 pence, but I pay only 38 pence. Good discount. 9 days delivery, so it's quite fast. And here we go. You can choose different types. So this one flat, black flat, green like with dents, which I order, green flat. So yeah, you can use also full set of lots of brushes, and 4.7 star review. Doesn't look bad. So here in the description it say with 20,000 ultra fine bristlets. Oh. And product weight just 12 grams. So which colors they include, so few picture of it. But I say I order for my cleaning PCBs, and if you are interested, check the link on the description down below. Alright, what's this next? A bag of a few things. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, because I ran out of those tiny nano microcontrollers, and I get some because I need for that project. And believe me, this time I find them really cheap. So there is 5 pieces, and you are gonna get surprised for 5 these Arduino Nanos, the version 3, that are really small ones. How much I pay for. So yeah, let's have a quick look. Here we go. Ultra small for Arduino Nano mini development board with type C, blah blah. 5 pieces costing £9.94, and I pay only £9.84. 9 days delivery, and here we go. You can choose one piece if you like. It's costing £2.43. Looks like the price increased right now, so You can see it was £9, now it's £12. And here we go, if you can order also £10 and it's costing 21. Anyway, I'm gonna put this link and I'm gonna try to find if I can find again something similar price which I pay for, because it looks like the price really increased a lot. And here we go, this 4.9 star reviews, easy to program with that Mega 328, the old bootloader. And here you have a bit of the programmer chip as CH340G, 5 volts and 16 megahertz and blah blah. It's perfect for that my project, so that's why I ordered, because I ran out. I had only 5 pieces and I already give away 4 units and I still have only one that is using for myself. And these new units, they were gonna be a version 2. I modify a bit the PCB in order to be better, and also you're gonna see it when I'm gonna build up a few of them. So if you're interested in these Arduino Nanos, check the link on the description down below. Right, the next one in this small bag, which is also the last one. Let's have a quick look inside. And we have 5 boards. So these one are the battery chargers, which is for the same project, because I say I order always the 5 pieces, and 5 pieces they gone, and I get another stock of 5 pieces to build some other units. Yeah, let's have a look how much now I pay on and how fast they moved over here. How fast they move over here, we already know, it's just 9 days, but let's see with how much I get them this time. So here we go, 1 to 10 pieces lithium-ion battery charger, a total of £1.91. I think is a good price for 5 pieces, but if you get 10 pieces, definitely getting a bit more cheaper per piece. But if you get only 1 piece, it's 78 pence. So yeah, they are really nice. I really like how they're charging the battery, because it's running only in one battery. And here we go on 4.8 star review. And here we go down here. It says working temperature between 40 to 80 degrees. Input voltage range is 4.2 to 6.5. The output is adjustable between 4.2 and 28 volts. Look over here, because I'm telling you something that people, they don't understand nothing about this kind of devices. So this guy says 150 milliamps has nothing to do with the 2 amp. It says, okay, doesn't say in any places about 2 amps. It's saying here about 1 amp, the charging current. Did you see anywhere saying about 2 amps? Can charge a battery up to 2 amps. But doesn't say that this one is the 2 amps that can carry. This one says clear here, maximum power 5 watts. You can charge a 2 amp lithium battery fast charge. Yeah, only with a battery that has the 2 amps. Anyway, I use them and working really good for me. I don't have nothing to complain about them. And yeah, if you're interested on this item, check the link on the description down below. Right, let's go back to the bigger bag again. And I say, I will not go through them. Gonna get whatever is next. So next is this one. Let's open slowly. So he reveals some banana plug, which yeah, I still need for the same project. And I modified the PCB board to mount only this one screw mount. So I don't use anymore those spade connectors, because I really bad to solder. This plastic melts really quick if you keep too much time the heat on the spade connector. So I noticed that with screw is better, so I modified the PCB like that I can mount only the screw one, so I get some stock in order to build up a few of them. So let's see how much costing and how fast moved over here. 9 days. So here we go, 20 pieces insulated safety, 32 amps, 4mm banana socket terminal, 5 colors. I ordered 10 red and 10 black. I paid a total of £5.87, but actually costing £5.99. A little discount is always good welcome. This is the listing where you can choose these ones with the spade connector, which I told you that I used it before and I stopped using them because it's not good for soldering on. And you can choose 10 and 10 or 20 red, 20 black, like the blue they don't have, green or yellow, and same they have the screw terminal, the same factor like 10 and 10, 20, 20 each color if you like. 5-star review. And do I need to go in the description? Are just connectors. And if you're interested on this product, check the link on the description down below. Alright, next in the bag, I think I need to turn it over to make sure there is no my details over there. No details. Alright, let's give a cut. Let's figure out what's inside. and inside I feel something like a cable. I hope I don't cut it. I hope I don't cut it. So what is this cable? Alright, do you remember the 5 laptops? So one which I diagnosed, and I found out that there is a problem with this cable, and it was hard to understand which one is the right one for it. So I will not say which laptop is, because I would like you to watch the video, because I found out that the cable was a problem. So I will not say where it was the problem. So please subscribe, activate notification bell to don't miss the video when I'm gonna work in that laptops, because I don't want to spoil the surprise. And yeah, I did my research and I hope that I get the right one. We're gonna see on that video when I'm gonna install this one inside. So let's go to the listing to see how much I pay on this cable. Here we go, new line for Asus FX87, 86, F80, 95, 95G, 505, so on, different types. So that's why it was hard to understand which one is which, because there is too many different cable, looks the same with 4-pin numbers, and you must understand exactly the one that goes to the laptop that you work on. The listing costing £3.18, I pay only £1.52. Really good discount, so we can fix another laptop with just £1.52. Another win, we're gonna see on that time. So this is the listing, and I can see here, if you go to choose this one, here you have the serial number of the cable. Actually the cable that comes from that laptop, there is no serial number, so I couldn't understand which one I need to order. So I contact the seller, and seller asked me to give him the serial of the panel, the display. So I give that serial, and then he point me to the right one to go. Right, so here we go. There is 5-star reviews, so this means is a good cable. And then if we go on description, it says here it's compatible with these models. So you can see here lots of models of laptops, and there is a 13 pin or 40 pins. So you need to be careful when you are ordering this one to make sure you are ordering the right. So I suggest you always please contact the seller before you are buying. They can help. Definitely they help me to understand the right one, what to purchase. And if you're interested, check the link on the description down below. Alright, do you still have some money on this one? Looks like we are getting lower. So another very tiny one. Quick cut there. We get a bag over there. Nothing inside. And we have some MOSFETs. So yeah, this one are the MOSFET for the same project, the one with the voltage injector, because I ran out of them, because it's going 2 per each board. So I have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, so I can build only 5 boards because are 10 pieces. So I ran out, so I ordered some to have there to build the other ones. So yeah, let's have a look which type of MOSFETs are and how fast they moved over here. 9 days, and also how much costing. Here we go, 10 pieces, 100% new CRTD 055N03L TO252 chipset, and I paid a total of £2.05. Here we go, this is the listing, and I ordered these ones because it's a low voltage threshold gate, which I really like, because at 5 volts on the gate you already almost fully open that MOSFET, and you don't have voltage loss through it. 5-star review. And here we go, boom quotation order service. So if you have a boom for a project, you can give them a boom, and then maybe they can supply all your components that you need for your project. Yeah, it's a good seller, and if you are interested on this item, check the link on the description down below. And I think this is the last one over here. Yeah, the bag is empty. Let's give a cut to understand what's this one. Another bag and switches. Yes, because I needed a few other switches, but I hope that they are the right one. I think I ordered the 8mm button longs, but these one are not the 8mm, are shorter, right? Definitely. Anyway, doesn't matter, our button, you just need to push on the button and it's doing the same. As long the footprint is the same, it's not that much bothering if are not longer like the other ones. So yeah, Let's see how much costs. This one are 100 pieces. 100 pieces button touch switch, 6 by 6, and then the last number is the height of the button. Right, £1 32 pence. So here we go. I was thinking that something those this length over there, because you can choose here, see all these types, the 11, the 12, 13, 15. So I think I ordered the 8, so 8mm should be the button length, but I'm gonna measure when I need to do that build. So depend of which one you like, the price is changing, by the way. Here we go. There is 5-star review, so people love it. And description, what you can say, just the pushy buttons, which I use a lot on my projects, are really good buttons. I really like how they're working. And if you're interested also in these buttons, check the link on the description down below. And these are all the stuff for this mailbag video. Most of the stuff are for that project, because I received several mails. Some people, they want this gadget to use in them repairs to find the shorts on the motherboards. And I got the solder paste, because I say this time I ordered the stencil to be more fast on building up the gadget. And I'm gonna do a video how I'm using the stencil and how I'm gonna build up these gadgets. Buttons, because I ran out of them. MOSFETs, connector, Arduino Nanos, battery charger, and resistors, because I say I run with some of the values that I need for that project, and I say rather than buy only that values and pay the same amount of money, buy a full kit, and then I have plenty for other projects. This one, stay tuned, is for that laptop which I'm working on, and I hope that we're gonna have another win. So yeah, and another brush, because I really like them to clean the PCBs. And a big shout out to member of my channel, which are Laptop Fix YouTube channel, JFix YouTube channel, Rossi Rose Repair YouTube channel, and Grandpa's Bench on YouTube. Soon Grandpa's Bench will gonna launch his YouTube channels, so I hope he will gonna come with a nice content. So I'm interested to watch his content definitely. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like. Check the links down below. I'm gonna also put all my tools and equipment which I use daily on my working bench, and maybe you find something that you are interested to. If you are new watching my video, please subscribe, activate the notification bell to be notified when I'm gonna upload next videos. Until the next one, have a good day and bye bye.